there were big, beautiful circus posters that were placed along the towns on sides of buildings to advertise that the circus was coming to town. And that's how these big, beautiful circus posters came into play. They were the ideal way to showcase eye-catching imagery of stunts, performers, and the ferocious animals that gave audiences just a little bit of taste of what was to be showed under the big top when the circus finally did come to town. Just like the circuses they touted, these posters were big, they were bold, and they didn't always stop at one sheet. Sometimes there were 6, 12, 24, even 100 sheets that would cover the entire sides of buildings, and the posters made a statement as colorful as the images they described. The circus is about joy, and posters of the circuses brought that message home to the masses who anticipated the arrival of the big top. P.T. Barnum, the great American showman, businessman, and founder of the Barnum and Bailey Circus, once wrote that the noblest art is that of making others happy. And at the Postal Service, we think this new stamp pane will recreate the memories of the joy and the happiness that the circus brings to each of us when we get to go see what's under the big top, as they say. Working with designer Jennifer Arnold, art director Greg Breeding created the vibrant, colorful images that you will soon see on these new Forever stamps.